back with another video. As you know, your boy Chef Cosman in the building. Alright, so last night I got a special request to do some Barbe fried chicken, and I said, alright, it's Sunday, so I'm just going to just do this. I don't own copyright to the music that is playing in the background. Alright, so we can use the music. I cut out most of the noise when I come in my space, you understand? Alright, so I get back, I get in the video now. So I season up some chicken already from last night, because I never really planned to do no video today. But just because the person requested, I say, alright, I'm going to do it for you. So here I have the flour. I add like 2 teaspoons of baking powder to it and a pinch of salt, because you don't want the crust fresh. Alright, to season the meat now, you can add your ground seasoning, your jerk season, pinch of salt, how you like it. You understand? How you want it. Alright, so I'm going to use an egg today with all this. Alright, so I'm going to add this to this now and add the egg to it. So when you add the Barbe fried chicken, you want to French fry the chicken first. You don't really want to leak out some information on how some business place do it, but yeah, you just want to say French fry the chicken first. So now I'm gonna mix up all of this together now. Alright, so this I go look. So I put on the oil now, and I hot the oil, cause alright, so enough respect to Lagenda from Twitter who requested this video last night. Alright, so I'm gonna add the meat to the pot now, make it fry. And in the meantime, I'm gonna start the sauce with. Alright, so right here I have some scallion, some onion, garlic and pepper. I'm not gonna really do much to this, so that's why I not have more. And so I never really prepare for this, because I'm gonna kind of cut short on certain ingredients, but I'm gonna still tell you what to get to put in it. But you can do it just the way I do it, and it tastes just as nice. But the other ingredients will top it off. You get the full 100. Alright, so this, like most people that started them season, but me now that I'm sure our next week today, where you have to boil the seasoning in this. So you have out of the seasoning. You're gonna get more flavor out of the seasoning like this. Alright, so I saw them look now. So them pretty and nice. Yeah man. And big up my videographer. Always there with me. Alright, so I saw the first set look. You can still follow this recipe and this method to do French fried chicken, you know. Alright, so now add the seasoning to this now. Everything is adding it. Make it boil for like 5 minutes. As we say, you need the seasoning to boil out tonight. Alright, so best if you get a piece of ginger boil with this. I don't have no ginger right now. So I would have like in this, I would add like more seasoning. Alright, so this right now, just the seasoning and everything, you know, to give it a taste. So I'm going to add some salt, some sugar, and the ketchup, and some browning. Yeah, and as I say, I have the proper things to put in it, because you can put honey in it same way, and the honey give it a nice flavor along with the ginger. 2 key ingredients are missing, but I still do it for me. Alright, so I'm going to add a little ketchup to it first. Alright, so I'm going to add about 2.5 tablespoons sugar. 1 teaspoon salt, because no people don't understand with sauce, you know. You have to add some salt in it to kind of to balance everything, because that's what salt does. So I add some brown into it. Not really add too much to make it too dark. Now add some more ketchup to this. Just want the browning taste kind of boil out, right? Because I don't want it bitter. Tastes nice. Alright, so now add some more ketchup to this now. Alright, so now add some cornstarch to this now, because I want it thicker than this. Enough to run it. Alright. Yeah. Come on. So now allow this to boil for like 2 minutes. Just get out some of the starchy taste out of the sauce from the cornstarch. And then I add the chicken to it. I add the chicken to the pot. Alright. And again, don't own copyright to the music that is playing in the background. Just entertain. Alright, so I'm going to just make this a boil for like 2 minutes and it's ready. 2 to 5 minutes. Alright, so this is the finishing touch on my Barbe fried chicken. I hope you enjoy the video. Share, subscribe, like and comment please. And anybody can just request any meal and we will challenge it. If we can't do it, we can go straight say, oh, can't go touch that now, or we challenge it. Alright. I hope everybody good still. Just big up on yourself and keep safe in the pandemic. Because to be honest, it's not easy. We just go and hold on.